Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Expensify in 2023. Of course, Expensify is a powerful expense management tool that helps individuals and even businesses to track and organize their expenses with ease. So, in this comprehensive guide, or in the step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started with Expensify. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video. It's simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to go and sign up for an Expensify account. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section, and here you'll have to go and type Expensify and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to click on this first link, which is Expensify, spend management software for receipts, and more, of course. Once you click on it, of course, you'll be taken to their homepage or main screen. As I said, we'll have to go and sign up for an Expensify account by, of course, once you visit their home screen or main screen. But before, you can scroll down, of course, as an example, and here at the bottom, you'll be able to see anything that you want, like features, resources, learn more about it, or even if you want to get started. So basically, if you have an account, you can say basically go back, go down here and click on login here if you have an account. But if you want to know how to get started, of course, you'll have to go instead and click on create a new account. Of course, you can even, as an example, go to this left panel and you can connect with your email, phone number, Google, or even Apple if you don't want to get through all the bonus steps of logging in or even creating your account. Google and Apple will be very great for you. And of course, if you want to talk, as you can see, to our sales teams instead, you can simply go and click on contact sales. For me, I'll just go here and click on Google. And then, of course, I'll allow those like sign in with Google and etc. So I'll be able to do it. So just choose Google again, and here of course I'll have to choose my account, and this will basically just sign me into my account. Or if I don't have an account, if it's my first time, they will simply just create my account without anything. Of course, if you're new here, that's gonna be your first time, you can basically just go here and click on watch a demo. This demo, as you can see, it contains just 34 seconds. This will help you understand Expensify more as example. So as you can see, it's a basic video showing you Expensify, how it's about. As you can see, basically they will understand or they will explain everything for you. So make sure to follow it. Not everything like with details, but they will give you a general idea if you don't know nothing about Expensify. And of course, for me, as an example here, are you here to set up Expensify for your business or yourself? So you can simply go and click individual or business, depending on whatever you want. So basically, you'll have to set up your profile and preferences depending on your preference. So as an example here, I'll just for me choose individual. And of course, after that, as you can see, what will you use Expensify for? So track receipts and send invoice or submit expenses, depending on whatever you want. For me, I'll just choose an example, this one, submit expenses. And as you can see here, they will basically give you each tutorial for things to do, like starting like automate invoice and collects payments. You can start your first invoice. If you don't want to do that, you'll be able to, as an example, you can now track and approve and pay bills directly in Expensify. Just add your company email address to your account suppliers, and of course, suppliers can send bill to your email, and Smart Scan will take care of the rest. So you'll be able to do that also. You'll be able even to Smart Scan your first receipt. You'll be able to, as an example, upload your receipts as example to Expensify. Other than that, you'll be able to submit your receipts to someone through email or phone. Of course, you'll be able, as an example, to change your profile, as we said, or preferences. As you can see here, you can change your photo, name if you want to. And other than that, you'll be able to add your bank account so people can send you money here. Other than that, of course, you'll be able to copy the invite link. As you can see, for the more the merrier. Invite others to Expensify if you wanted, if you want to, if you find it like useful, you can share it with other people. And then you'll be able, as you can see, don't just get paid back, pay it forward, as an example. So opt as a personal karma and automatically donate $1 to Expensify organization for every $5 you spend each month. Every donation is used to eliminate injustice around the world. Maybe like the war that's happening in the moment in Palestine. Let's pray for those. Anyway, other than that, as you can see for here, email receipts to depending on the email that you're going to enter. So Smart Scan will put the receipt details and store everything on Expensify, and that's going to be it. So basically here you'll be able to add your expenses categories and connect your bank or credit card, create like your first reports. As example, you'll be able to add expenses to your reports, categorize and tag expenses, and of course submit your reports if required, and you can even generate reports and analytics. As an example here, we can go to expenses, and here, as you can see, we'll be able to add some expenses. As you can see, I already have one. For you, of course, you can click on your expense. You can add that manually. You can scan it through your phone. You can create some multiple. You can add some time, as example. So let's just go and add manually one as example. You can start by adding the merchant name. For me, I'll just name it test here, and or let's just name it as an example Google. Of course, you can here give it the date, the total I'll just put like 100. You can change here, of course, the currency. I'll just put USD. Category, of course, I'll just choose an example, I don't know, fees, attendees you, or you can even add more attendees in the future, or if you have more in your account here. Description, uh I'll just put just Google fee here, and reports, of course, is its automatic new none or expense reports at this exact date. Or in here, once you click on it, as you can see, no documents found. You can import one from your computer. For me, I'll just import this airplane ticket or airplane logo. And as you can see, if the problem persists, so as you can see, an error has occurred. So if you uploaded like an expense that does not look like expense as I did, as you can see, they will tell you there's an error. Of course, you can always save it and leave it as it is, but they will tell you an error as occurred. Of course, I did not show you the rest, so let me just go here and, as an example, click on your expense manually. As you can see, this is for expense. You can add some new distance, time, and multiples. As you can see, for the distance, just add the distance, the rate, amount, category, description, and reports same. For time, as you can see, how many hours and minutes, or hours at, as an example, per hour, something like that. Amount, as you can see, if it's reimbursable, and other things. And here for multiple, of course, expenses, you'll be able to add all of them at once. So once you do all of that, as I said, you'll be able to categorize everything and tag expenses. Then you'll be able to submit your reports if required, if you want, and you can even generate some reports and analytics, because Expensify offers the boost reports and features, generate reports to get insights into like your spending, export them as a PDF or spreadsheets, and share them with relevant parties. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.